Once upon a time, a special day started in the city. It was the annual Smile Festival. This is Elena, a baker. Her bakery was magical. Bread would sing as it baked, and cupcake icing shimmered like rainbows. Elena woke up happy, ready to bake, but the happy cake needed the magic recipe book. She went to her room to get the book. But when she opened it, the page was gone. Oh no, she cried. Then she saw the open window. So, what happened Elena's magic page? We'll find out in the next part.